In this video, I'll be attempting to make a drawing of this Gemini Jet model that I got over here. But first, let's do an unboxing and see what's inside. If you're excited for this unboxing and drawing, be sure to take a second to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell, as many more awesome videos are coming in the future. Without further ado, let's get started with the first ever unboxing on this channel. As we open up the box of this beautiful Delta 767-300ER, the first thing we see is a beautiful layer of protection foam. Lifting up the foam, we can see the model itself and the stand, and over the model is a beautiful layer of plastic sheet. And over here we have the model set up. Let's take a look at the details. First of all, we have the nicely detailed windshields, and as we zoom in, we can see the beautiful SkyTeam logo, as well as a cabin door. And behind the cabin door is a neat row of passenger windows, with some windows closed and some windows open. And below the fuselage is the nicely detailed nose gear, which is right over here. And here, as we zoom out, we are able to see the rest of the model, with two awesome looking wings and two beautiful winglets, which looks really amazing in my opinion. And here, as we turn the model for a little bit, we're able to see the nicely fashioned engines. As we zoom in into the beautiful PW4060 engine, we're able to see the nicely detailed turbofan. And in my opinion, I really love those engines. Here, as we rotate the model furthermore, we can see the side exit direction arrows labeled on both wings. And over here, let's take a look at the rear part of the plane. First of all, we can see the registration of this beautiful 767, which is N178DN. And behind the registration is the very nicely done vertical stabilizer, as well as the horizontal stabilizers, with very smooth details and very realistic colors. Overall, I'll give this model a 5 out of 5, since it has a really high level of details with very accurate colorings. And also feel free to tell me your opinion in the comment section below. And right here we have the model set up and ready, and let's get started with the drawing.
3:28 a.m.
Here we go guys, we're finally done with this beautiful Delta 767. Let's take a deeper look at the details. First of all, we have the nicely shaded windshields, and moving on we have the beautiful SkyTeam logo next to the cabin door. And below the fuselage is again the nose gear. Moving upwards, we have the beautiful Delta fonts, and below the fonts is a nice row of windows, just like the ones on the model itself. And below the passenger windows is the nicely shaded left wing with a nice winglet. And underneath the wings are the two beautiful and powerful PW4060 engines. And below the engines are the two pairs of main landing gears. And moving upwards, we have the beautiful American flag as well as the registration. And moving right again, we have the colorful Delta vertical stabilizer, as well as the winglet and the horizontal stabilizer. And next to the main landing gears is my autograph. And then as we look up, there is the model itself. Anyways, if you like this unboxing and drawing, definitely give it a thumbs up, as well as taking one quick second to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell before you head out. As usual, this plane took me very long to do, and your subscription is the power to keep myself going. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.